Hello dear students. So dear students, what we have learnt yesterday? We have learnt cursive letter C. Okay. And you have learnt the use of A and an. So today also we are going to do the same. I'll show you how to write cursive letter D. Okay. With the help of same stroke. जैसे हम C बनाए थे ना, वैसे ही हम cursive letter D बनाएंगे. And then I'll show you how to write letter A. Okay, so let us start. Okay, first of all, what do? We give the dots. Yes, so let me show you the formation of A. Okay, see, touch the third line, go slanting up, a little curve, come down and write letter D. It's so easy, isn't it? Now one more time. Touch the third line, go slanting up, a little curve, come down, go up, come down in the same path and complete the letter D. Touch the third line, go slanting up, a little curve, come down, letter D. Okay, so likewise you have to practice for letter D. Okay, I'll show you 2 to 3 times more, and then after that you have to practice in the whole page. Okay, let me put the dots. Letter D. As you have written letter C, the same will be followed for letter D, and thereafter you will see that the same will be followed for letter A. Okay. See, it is not necessary to put the dots before writing, but what happens when you practice on dots, it comes perfectly. Okay, so which letter I am going to write here? I am going to write letter D in cursive. Okay, so let us write. Touch the third line, go slanting up, a little curve, D. Touch the third line, go slanting up, and remember you have to write slow. धीरे धीरे लिखना है. ओके, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. जितना धीरे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हैंडराइटिंग उतनी अच्छी होगी. Are you seeing how I am writing patiently? मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. If your letter doesn't come up nicely, just erase it. अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, उसको इरेज करना है, पर धीरे धीरे लिखना है और सुंदर लिखना है. So this is letter D. Now I am going to show you letter A, but when you will write, you will practice the whole page. Okay? Now I am showing you how you will write letter A. Okay? with the same dot we are going to follow it, or we are going to write it. Okay, two slanting dots. Again I will repeat why I am making the dots, so that following the dots your practice will be very good. Letter A is just as letter D in cursive. Okay, just you have to stop yourself. Now see, looking at two dots, the same dot we will follow for writing letter A. So, touch the third line, go slanting up, a little curve, come down, go to the second line, come down, A. Again, touch the third line, go slanting up, a little curve, come down, touch the second line. You have to go up to the second line. Okay, then come down. Touch third line, go slanting up, come back, go up to the second line, come back. This is letter A. Again, touch the third line, go slanting up, come down, touch the second line. This is letter A. Now I will not say anything. You just have to follow my pen. How my pen goes to write letter A. This is cursive letter A. So here I am stopping myself. Okay, you have to practice on the whole page. Now let us write some question answers. Okay, now what question answers are we going to write? That you will see. Okay, so I'm going to write question answers, and my heading today is answer these. Answer these. Now, can you look at the picture? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, orange. So, how we are going to write it? I'm going to write question number 1. What is this? Do you know orange starts with letter O, and O is a vowel. और मैम ने क्या बताया था? अगर कोई नेमिंग वर्ड AEIOU से स्टार्ट होता है और वो 1 होता है, so we have to use A and an just before the naming word. So the answer is this. You have to start your sentence with capital T. This is an Orange. 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 And after writing, put a full stop onto the third line. This is an orange. Now question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, this is a simple drawing. I know that you know what is this. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a bib. WHAT. What? Is THIS. This? Question mark. So what is this? So what is the answer? I'm going to write the answer. This is a bib. Because B is not a vowel, so we are going to use a for this. Okay. The answer is THIS. This is a bib. This is a bib. Okay. Now I will write question number 3. And question number 3, the picture that I'm going to give you is not a new thing for you, but maybe you have not learned the spelling in this class. Okay, so I'm going to draw a triangle like this. Okay, and I'm going to put a rod in it. A triangle with a, you can say, a stick. Now I will ask you, what is this? So can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is an axe. This is an axe. So let me write the question as, what is this? Question mark. Now I'll write the answer as, this is an. Why? Because axe starts with A. X E. Axe. This is an axe. What is this? This is an